This coconut trimming and cutting machine is an absolute game changer for coconut vendors and tropical fruit lovers. In just seconds, it neatly shaves off the hard outer husk and slices open the top with precision. No machete, no mess, no risk of injury. It's perfect for high-volume markets, juice bars, or anyone who wants to enjoy fresh coconut water without the hassle. The blades are sharp, the operation is fast, and the result? A clean-cut coconut that's ready to serve or drink straight from the shell. Watching it work is oddly satisfying. It turns a tough task into a smooth, automated process. A brilliant example of how simple machinery can revolutionize everyday work. Precision meets power. The laser cutting machine is the ultimate tool for creators who refuse to compromise. Whether you're crafting intricate metal art, engraving wood, or prototyping high-precision parts, this machine delivers razor-sharp accuracy down to fractions of a millimeter. It's not just about cutting. It's about creating with confidence, speed, and absolute control. No burrs, no mess, just clean, flawless edges every time. Once you experience what a laser cutter can do, going back to traditional methods feels like carving with a spoon. A must-have for modern makers. From metal to wood, this laser cutting beast delivers flawless precision every time. No burrs, no mess, just perfection. Watching a high-pressure water jet cut through solid stone with surgical precision is nothing short of mesmerizing. Powered by ultra-high pressure streams, often over 60,000 psi, these machines can slice through granite, marble, and other dense materials like a knife through butter, without heat, sparks, or distortion. The beauty lies in the detail. Tight curves, sharp angles, and intricate patterns that would be nearly impossible with traditional saws. Water jet cutting isn't just brute force, it's water-powered artistry. Watching a high-precision laser craft jewelry is like seeing art meet science in real time. With extreme accuracy and controlled heat, the laser carves, cuts, and even welds delicate metals into stunning designs. No hammer, no flame, just pure light. What once took hours by hand can now be done in minutes, with flawless detail and zero waste. It's not just craftsmanship. It's next-level technology transforming gold, silver, and platinum into wearable masterpieces. The future of jewelry making is here, and it's powered by lasers. Meet the Dutch engineering marvel that moves whole tree. This incredible machine, built by innovative Dutch engineers, does what seems impossible. It digs up an entire tree, roots and all, and replants it somewhere else without harming it. Using a massive claw-like system of curved spades, it carefully surrounds a root ball, lifts the tree out of the ground in one smooth motion, and transports it to its new home. Why cut down a healthy tree when you can simply move it? Whether it's for urban landscaping, road projects, or saving old trees from construction zones, this machine makes tree relocation fast, precise, and sustainable. It's a perfect example of Dutch ingenuity at its finest, combining mechanical power with environmental care. Watching it in action is like witnessing nature and technology working together. One moment the tree is rooted, the next it's on the move, and thriving again days later. Respect to the brilliant minds behind this green tech. Would you trust a machine to move a 40-year-old tree? A guinea pig farm is more than just adorable fluff. It's a fascinating, well-managed mini ecosystem. These tiny herbivores are raised not only for companionship, but also in some cultures as a sustainable source of protein. Watching how a farm is structured, from climate-controlled shelters to carefully balanced diets of hay, veggies, and vitamin C-rich feed, is eye-opening. You'll see how farmers prioritize hygiene, breed management, and even mental stimulation to keep the animals healthy and stress-free. Whether you're into small-scale farming, animal care, or just love these squeaky little guys, a guinea pig farm is a perfect blend of cuteness and clever farming.